Okay, I don't know who has been teaching you guys how to apply eyebrows to your faces, but I am so sick and tired of these angry bird eyebrows, these Ernie and Bert eyebrows, these is a snuffleupagus eyebrows. Look like they join in each other. They're about this thick, and my favorite part, and I'm being sarcastic, the concealer. Stay tuned for a quick tutorial of an eyebrow. Not eyebrows, an eyebrow. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rogan, better known as this Bahamian Gyal. I'm so happy to have you guys back in my company. Today I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial, not a lot of talking, but I'm going to get started on this really quickly because while I am not the greatest at putting on an eyebrow, I certainly know what looks good and what does not look good. So just so you guys know, I typically use a dip brow for my eyebrows, and I use this Anastasia. I hope you guys can see that, this Anastasia dip brow palette in dark brown. That's what I usually use. And I have this Sephora spoolie type thing, and this applicator at the other end. I use that to apply my eyebrows, and it's just really quick to put on. So right now I'm going to take some micellar water, and I usually use this one from Garnier. It's really, really good. And I'm going to take off one of my eyebrows because I'm going to show you what some of these gals be doing out in the streets. I don't know who gave them a tutorial and told them that that looked good. Sorry, I got to use my little, what do you call this thing? My $1 mirror that I got from the dollar store because I don't have a stand right here. So I'm going to have to use this right here just to remove my eyebrow so you guys can see what my natural eyebrow looks like without the dip brow. And some of my makeup is coming off, but that's okay. Because, child, I am so sick and tired of seeing these angry birds. I don't know who told them on the street. Girl, who do your eyebrows? Your eyebrows the bomb. Jesus Christ. Look like a goddamn angry bird. Okay, so the micellar water takes it off really easily without having to really like scrub a lot. So I like to use that. So I'm going to show you what these gals be doing. Let me show you what these gals be doing. Let me dry this first. If you see anybody with their eyebrows like this, give them a crazy look. Because they deserve it. So I'm going to go in with this little $1 pencil. And of course, when I'm recording, I had this sharpened. Now the damn thing broke off. I have to come back. Let me sharpen it. So that was really quick. I got it nice and sharp. And you see how pointy that is? So this is what the girls do. I think their sole purpose is to start from the inner corner and take it and push it to the limit. We push and we push. We push and we push. Push it to the limit. They want to go way east. Okay, so let's go. And it's never any like short strokes or anything like that. It's just something, whatever, you know, suits their fancy. So this is where it goes. My sister is guilty of this too, so it's not just you guys. And she thinks this looks the bomb. But anyway, so here we go. They go drawing. Boom. Boom. Huh? Huh? Then of course you gotta draw that top line, right? Huh? Then you gotta come down, right? Boom. They don't know about short strokes, so they don't know about like tick, 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 tick. Oh no, this is like first grade coloring book type thing. So you gotta go deep. Deep. You can see this? Deep. They filling in, boy. Fill that sucker in. Right? See that? Okay. My personal favorite is when they do the vertical line right here. You see that? You gotta have that line, boy. Then you go back in and you fill. They gotta get their fill. Gotta get your fill. Gotta get your fill. Gotta make it black, 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 black. This is a dark brown. This is like a Jordana pencil. It's like $1 that I got this when I was in a store in Nassau. Like, they're really cheap. I don't know what you guys have over here in the States, but you can find these little dollar pencils everywhere. So, now y'all might think I'm exaggerating, right? Y'all say, oh, this girl running out just for whatever. I don't have any reason to run out. I've seen enough eyebrows for me to come on YouTube to do a tutorial because it gets me. Anyway. So now, I actually think this looks good compared to some of the stuff I see. This looks like crap, but I think it looks good. So now this look is not complete. This look is not complete. All right. See that? This is the original brow. This is my ghetto brow. This look isn't complete because what's missing? What do you think is missing? You got to go in with the concealer. Now, I don't have, and this is so dirty. This is embarrassing. I should have cleaned this off, right? But I don't have the typical light brown concealer. I do, but it won't show up on camera, right? Because it's supposed to blend into my skin. It's supposed to be a little slight lighter. But I've actually seen girls with these using the NYX or the NYX, whatever you call this, white. This is a Milk 604. I usually use this as a primer, and then I put like when I have like bright eyeshadows, I'll go over that with this. I'll put this underneath and I'll go over it with the eyeshadows and it'll make it pop. And I think that's how it should be used. Or I also use this for Halloween for one of my tutorials. If you guys haven't seen that tutorial, please go and watch it. It was really cool. But these gals out in the streets, they're using this to go around the around the eyebrow. Because why? Clearly, what we don't know is that the eyebrow committed an armed robbery, right? The eyebrow committed an armed robbery. The owner of the store shot the eyebrow. Crime scene investigators showed up and they had to do like the chalk outline. So this eyebrow, you know, it held up a store, but it got away, and this one got killed on the scene. So here we go. And I've seen many girls doing this, so don't even come at me in the comment section talking no foolishness that ain't nobody used to do that. I've seen this. Here we go. We got a death here on the scene. We're gonna call for backup and whatnot. Oh my God, I know that eyebrow. We went to school together. And the police killed that eyebrow just like a dog in the street, What the is this? Anyway, I know some of you ladies are going to say, ain't nothing wrong with this. And you're probably going to be saying, that eyebrow whack, and she thinks she could do eyebrows. That's fine. That's cool. Because my people know me, and I know my people. So, please, ladies, for the people who I'm speaking to, my people, don't walk out your house with this foolishness on your face. Don't do this. Don't do this. This don't look good. And anybody tells you it looks good, they might be ratchet too, so you never know. But they're gassing you up so you can continue wearing your eyebrows like this, so they can continue laughing at you. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't need to be all this. This or the dark brown one, you know, is a little dark. And don't do that to yourself, ladies. And don't be working in no corporate environment with your face looking like this. Don't do it. God damn it. Don't do it. Just don't do it. Okay? That's my rant for the day with these angry birds. I was going to do this side, but no, I'm not going to even. No, I'm not going to do it. Because only one of them got shot and died on the scene. And that's this right eyebrow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And if you really, 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 really like me, subscribe to the channel, this Bahamian Gyal. If you don't like this eyebrow and you love this one, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment. And subscribe so you can come back and tell me how much you don't like me. See you guys next time. Don't do this foolishness.